Hey, good morning. So today we're going over 815. It's attributes of triangles. So 815, attributes of triangles. Okay, so most triangles we categorize two ways. So every triangle can have two labels to it. So we categorize them by angle and by length of sides. So by angle, we have three types of triangles. And just use the book so I make sure I don't miss anything. So by angle, we have first, let's just start with a right angle or a right triangle, right? A right triangle. And that has a 90-degree side to it, 90 degrees. That's a right triangle. And everybody knows a 90 degrees is, corner of a house, corner of a book, it's 90 degrees. Corner of a square. Okay, then we have obtuse. An obtuse has an angle larger than 90 degrees. So larger than 90. Oh, it'd be than 90. Okay, so that means we're going to have an angle that is bigger than 90 degrees on our triangle. Okay. And I think I'm running out of room, so I'll go back up here. And this will be in your notes, so don't worry about, and you can also rewatch the video. We have acute. And this is easy to remember. It's smaller than 90, so 90, okay. And just think, so it's small, so it's acute angle. Okay, so acute triangle. Those are our angles. So here, I'll erase this and I'll write the three names. Okay, so we get right, we get obtuse, and we get acute. Okay, so those are the three ways we label a triangle by angle. Now, by side, we have scalene. And a scalene has no sides that are equal or congruent. And we use the word congruent. This was a vocabulary word from the last 814, congruent. It's in your notes. And it means equal or the same. So it has no congruent sides. It means all the angles or all the sides of the triangle are not equal. Then we have isosceles. In isosceles, two sides are congruent. Okay, two sides are congruent. Okay, and I'm going to erase and I'll write them all up here. Then we have equilateral. And that, sounds like its name, where all sides are equal or congruent. And this is all sides congruent. Okay? All right, I'm going to erase all this. You can get this in the notes, so you don't need to get it here. But let's do a couple problems. All right, so problem 1. All isosceles triangles are also equilateral. Okay, so all isosceles triangles are all equilateral. So that's an easy one because those are in the same category. equilateral and isosceles are both what? Categorized by what? Say it to yourself. Are they categorized by angle or side? Okay, well, if you look at your notes, they're both on the side part. So when we name a triangle, we do one from each, one of the angle, one of the sides. All triangles will have both names. But this has isosceles and equilateral are both sides. Equilateral, all sides are equal. Isosceles, two sides are equal. So no, they are not. So that would be false. Okay, so number one would be false. All right, let's do one more problem. Okay, here's an interesting 10. Okay, an isosceles triangle without a line of symmetry. Okay, is that possible? So a line of symmetry, so let's just write this down. Line of symmetry. Make sure I spelled it right. You guys know my spelling is not the best. All right, so an isosceles triangle is one with two sides that are the same. So this side would be the same as this side. Well, if we look, any triangle like that, we can cut in half, and this side will be equal to this side. My drawing's not perfect, obviously. I'm freehanding it. But yes, this side would be this side. So it would not be possible to draw a isosceles triangle. Here we try another one. Let's say that one. Okay. If these two are the same, then we should be able to cut it there and fold it in half. So all isosceles triangles will have at least one line of symmetry, a line where you could fold it in half and the sides will be equal. That's a line of symmetry.